Can you use a gift card on DoorDash? Yes, you can use a gift card on DoorDash, but it must be a DoorDash specific gift card. Below is a detailed explanation of using gift cards on DoorDash. 1. DoorDash gift cards accepted. DoorDash accepts its own branded gift cards for orders placed through its platform. These gift cards can be used for food orders, taxes, delivery fees, and tips. 2. How to add a DoorDash gift card. Open the DoorDash app or website. Go to Account Settings. Select Gift Cards. Enter the gift card code and add it to your account balance. Third, payment for full or partial orders. You can use a DoorDash gift card to pay for the full amount of your order or combine it with another payment method if the balance is insufficient. 4. Restrictions on other gift cards. DoorDash does not accept general third-party gift cards such as Visa, Mastercard, or American Express gift cards. Only DoorDash-specific gift cards are allowed. 5. Where to buy DoorDash gift cards. You can purchase DoorDash gift cards from the DoorDash app.website, retail stores like Walmart, Target, and Best Buy, or online platforms like Amazon. 6. Checking gift card balance. After adding the gift card, you can view your balance in the Payment Methods section of your DoorDash account. 7. Non-Refundable and Non-Transferable. DoorDash gift cards are non-refundable and non-transferable once applied to your account, so ensure the correct account is used. 8. Combining gift cards. You can combine multiple DoorDash gift cards by adding them all to your account balance, allowing you to use the combined balance for future orders. You can use DoorDash gift cards for any order placed on the platform, but general purpose gift cards are not accepted. Make sure to add your DoorDash gift card to your account before placing an order.